Stay on the right hand side. Bless you.
Which side to go on?
Just stay where you are. Just go slow over these bumps. You just use the brake. I mean, you don't gotta go that slow, but
I'm going too mild. How can you see the wheels?
you don't need to see the wheels.
Well, I don't know if it's hitting the bush.
Well, as long as you staying over sort of to the right.
Why are you going so fast there?
Stay to the right. I mean, not this far to the right. Well, you can let it coast. Take your foot off the brake. Okay, here comes somebody, so get over to the right. Okay, stop. Not that.
Sorry.
Just stop, Michaela, stop. Okay, go.
Dust.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you. You filming me wiping.
Okay, I guess.
I need a tissue.
Well, you're going to have to use.